What do you want? What do you want for yourself? What do you want to be in 10 years, in 15 years, in 20 years? Where do you want to be? Because when you can identify what you want, then you can work towards it. See, the problem is most people do not have a goal, and then they end up drifting through life because they kind of like doing this, they kind of like doing that, but they're not going in a linear motion. They're not going in a straight line to their goal. They're going in zigzags. And what happens is you end up not going anywhere because you can't be good at everything. So the first thing is you identify what you want. After you identify what you want, you make a strategic, realistic plan of how you're going to get there. Meanwhile, you need to be making money. Yeah, so you need to be working, you need to be gaining some kind of income. You need to learn how to not waste your money on frivolous things that don't matter. Try to invest your money or just save your money. Save as much as you can, bro. Try to get a job that is related to the industry or the goal that you're trying to get to. You don't want to be wasting time doing jobs that have nothing to do with what you want to do. You want to be doing a job, even if it's part-time or whatever, but it should be related to what you want to do, because you'll end up meeting people and networking with certain types of people that could help you in the future. You need to know what you want, then you need to be going in a direction, and you need to be getting money at the same time, bruv. That's your ambition and your money side of it, yeah? Next thing, you need to get your health in order. You need to look the part. You need to look powerful. You need to be trying to make yourself a superhero in terms of your health and fitness. That's my philosophy. You want to be in the best shape you can be. Because at the end of the day, people judge people on how they look. Maybe that's wrong, but that's how it is. So your physical power, you need to be in the best shape you can be. You need to looks max. You know what I mean? On the other side of it, you need to dress in a way that suits you. Dress according to your age as well. Dress in a way that suits you. Not everything that you see on somebody else might work for you. You got to find your own style. The third aspect, mental power, the ability to persevere, yeah, and go through the pain and be able to sacrifice. You know what I'm saying? You need to make yourself a more intelligent version of yourself. Sometimes I recommend books like Outwitting the Devil. That's a very good book to read. Think and Grow Rich. That's another good book to read. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. That's another good book to read. Yeah, just get in the habit of reading things and learning. You know, when you have more knowledge, you have more wisdom and you make better decisions. Yeah, so it's important to, you know, have mental power as well, right? Then the last one, social skills, that is a deal breaker. You should be able to speak to anyone at any time. You got to be able to talk to everyone and relate to everybody and make people laugh and make people feel comfortable. So my advice is just get into the habit of speaking to just different types of people all the time. That's it, man. That's the pillars of power. That's King Rich's pillars of power.